Welcome to all my subscribers, new subscribers and viewers. Welcome. So people, no come here there a little bit there. Because I am very confused over here. So yeah. Because me hear Kingston 13 come out and say she closed the book, she closed the chapter. And and she dash where her dirty girl frock. And she gone in, she not come back out. Because she not talk no more because a lot of people get hurt. But me was looking at the whole thing. And I will say that Kingston 13 at 2 days, about 2-3 days in a row she come out. And she never realized that she not heard people and cause a whole heap of problems on the social media streets. And that me I go ask if she never realized that she was causing a lot of problem, throwing a lot of people in the mix. And then now she bail out, she run away. But we was passing the lady over Lady V yard, and I see she put out a post, and the post say that she waiting for the prosecutors. Yeah, she wait for the prosecutors them for wrap up, and then so the defense team can start. Yeah. So keep the same energy. So as such the post say. And then after that now, we hear say Kingston 13 say include the chapter. So me I wonder whether she thinks that something will come out, the lady will come out, or maybe she doesn't say the lady will come out and she want every lady will come out. No. But at this point me wouldn't advise her to come out. It don't make sense now. One way I think she should come out and clear her name, but in another sense, no. I think summer was 13, I say, Ashanti a question him credibility or him whatever ability. I say the story, them not straight. And then make sense and all this. I say no. So I was looking at the whole thing really. I was thinking, why if 13 now find fault with the lady? Why all of a sudden now he might drag everybody in the mix up? Everybody in the mix up. And as we said before from day one, me have to hear the other side of the story because the story have more than one side. One somebody can't just talk so unless you lose your mind. You answer about yourself and all them things. One person can't just chat along. So, So, this is it really that, a lot of the things them that are spewing out there, we know about them things that, like, for example, the chandelier. The chandelier in the ceiling, no trouble nobody. Chandelier getting a mix up too. Chandelier getting a mix up, and we know say who did buy the chandelier for the lady as a housewarming gift, and that get mixed up in the mix. So how kind of people name call? How kind of people run out on the lady? The story them, like, me not look at one of the story them, but the speak your mind and the latest at the funeral. And I was thinking, but everybody knows that they was at the funeral and them both went in separate cars, so that don't make no sense neither. But they was saying, me hear something say Lady V go down to the funeral, but she never go down directly to the funeral. Because I remember rightly, the daughter went to something down at Jamaica, and Lady V was down there, so she turned up. So she must have thought, while she's in Jamaica, she's gonna go to the funeral. I saw me remember it because if you remember Miss Kitty did clap back at Lady V daughter because something that was said and she would something about 9 to 5 jobs. You know, can't remember because you know remember everything over here. So it's a shame bad that 13 draw everybody in the web. Yeah. Because I'm not on platform and I hear them ask question, how did we get here? You know, how did Lady V get here? And you know, at the end of the day, she did get there because of the attack on her daughter and so on. And she's sticking up for her daughter. And 13, she did come out to defend and so on and so on. And obviously, she probably did like the fact that people were defending her daughter. And I think that's how she get involved. That's how me see it, really. That's how she get involved. And she do few cussing and so. The landlord and Gracie, she did cuss too. So, yeah, so I think of that. So she did go off track. Went off track from there. So, yeah, so this is it really. That, you know, sometimes people can't remember and then people seem to don't remember the story and everybody will jump to conclusion, and if this is being said and sometimes we don't know who are talking truth, who for story lean, who for do story straight and all these things. So, you know, sometimes you have to like think, is it, you know, somebody trying to get them own back because I'm upset with the individual? But then me hear on our corner or on Ben, and me hear somewhere else where them say it was on the streets that 13 son died. So, you know, the way it did come out, like say, the lady put it out there, Lady V put it out there. Yeah. So I don't understand. I don't understand none of it really. But you know, I feel that 13 she made a lot of mess on the social media street and create a lot of havoc. Me I go say, yeah, a lot of name get called up in a mix up and everybody run out pan Lady V, and you know, by what was said and so on. So this is it really, that we have to be careful who we talk to behind doors, behind closed doors, because you know this is the thing that it will come back and bite you. So people will say you say when you know say to. But me see Michelle run out from out of the horizon. You know, she did gone from the diaspora to the horizon. She run out. Yeah. She run out and get caught up in the web too. Yeah, she get caught. She's running at the web because other people are drawing at it. She running at it. Yeah. She running at it and calling out Shanti and 13, and she called 13 Shanti and Erica name. Yeah. She come out and she called up the name them and she said that Lady V, you know, fear her fault because she never read the room. Yeah, she was reading the room long time and she was trying to tell her and all this, that and the other. No, but nothing wrong with Michelle coming out to support Lady V. There's nothing wrong with it, but Michelle, no. Well, did Michelle was licking Lady V hard before and the daughter sick saga, but then now Michelle changed her tune. Michelle kind of forget what she said sometimes, you know. That's what I'm gonna say. Michelle kind of forget what she said. Nothing wrong with it, what she has said, no. But I'm thinking the tune, the song changed slightly. Yeah. the song changed slightly now. Yeah. So, we have to just say that, sometimes when you run out, because Michelle come out in the week and we thought, oh, that's a calm Michelle, and I think she did put straight her point and put her point forward in a, not an aggressive way. But today she come out very aggressive. Yeah, I think how Michelle changed up her tone, because she, today was very aggressive because she could have put her message across in a calmer manner. Yeah, that's what I was thinking anyway. But Michelle, I will be Michelle. Bless her. Yeah, so this is it really, that, too much confusion and too much big people on social media creating problems. I mean, I know how you can come out for 2 days and when you say one thing and when you feel so that not enough, you say something else and you throw everybody in the mix. Yeah, you throw everybody in the mix. And then you say you not talk no more, and you were so hurt, with the lady because of why you was told this and told that. So that's the reason, but there's no excuse for that behavior. I go say, okay, you did say about a week or 2 weeks ago that you move away because of your job and all that, and then now the behavior will come back. So I don't understand or overstand, but I just that really come to say, dirty make a lot of mess on social media and run gone. Let's see other people to clear up. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna say. It's very embarrassing. That was very embarrassing, disgraceful and embarrassing. Yeah. Anyway, if I'm don't talk and she gone.